Let's talk about Prometheus monitoring. Prometheus is the de facto standard for monitoring Kubernetes and cloud-native applications. However, as your Prometheus environment grows, it gets more and more complicated to use and maintain. Prometheus exporters need to be selected, installed, configured, updated, and PromQL has a steep learning curve. How can you focus on your business instead of building your own monitoring solution? Sysdig Monitor offers a scalable, managed Prometheus service with automatic service discovery and enterprise controls and support that simplify the Prometheus user experience, so you can put less effort into monitoring and focus on your business. Let's dig into how we do it. After a simple installation, Sysdig will collect metrics from hosts, Prometheus, and Kubernetes clusters. The Sysdig agent collects not only Prometheus metrics, but system and Kubernetes metrics as well. Sysdig Monitor automatically detects your application services. It guides you through the process of deploying their monitoring integration, saving you a lot of time. You can also use Prometheus Remote Write to forward existing Prometheus server metrics to Sysdig as well for centralized visibility and long-term storage. This is also handy to monitor edge, IoT, serverless, or other legacy environments where you may not want to install an agent. As soon as we receive your metrics, they'll show up in our out-of-the-box dashboards. This way, you can start monitoring and alerting right away. As Sysdig Monitor is fully compatible with Prometheus, you can also use PromQL natively to query any metric, build more dashboards, or create alerts. If you don't know PromQL yet, you can use our simple form-based GUI to query all your metrics. In the PromQL library, you can find real-world queries created by our experts, so you can get started learning this query language with examples. Additionally, Sysdig automatically enriches all your metrics with Kubernetes, host, and cloud context, so you can forget about joins and just focus on what you need to query. That's easier, right? When it's time to create alerts, you can look for inspiration in the alerts library and activate them with the click of a button. If you have an existing alert rule, you can easily import them. Beyond the support for PromQL, Sysdig Monitor is a complete monitoring solution for your whole infrastructure. As such, it integrates with popular incident management tools so you don't miss any critical issues. Also, Sysdig teams isolate visibility down to the metric to help teams focus on their areas of responsibility. And this is how Sysdig Monitor can help you drastically reduce the amount of time and effort spent on setting up Prometheus monitoring, radically simplify the way you discover, query, and alert on your metrics, and automatically detect and help configure monitoring integrations so you don't have to worry about it. Getting started with Sysdig Monitor is easy. Start with our free 30-day trial and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes.